Hello, good afternoon, senior colleagues. So there is one job that we need to do one more time. So I'll make the video for you to see how it's done, so that it will be simple for you to do. So I'll try to make the video short. So we are supposed to enter all the names of the learners we have here onto the new GES school management system. They have a new management system that they expect us to use to manage everything, and it can also help generate report cards. That was what we were told. Well, we don't know how that is going to be done yet, but for now we are supposed to uh, onboard the students, all of them, onto the system. So we need some data from them. So there's a template. It's a template. By this data should be ready by Wednesday, so that we can do it by Friday. You're supposed to onboard them by Friday. So let's try to get the data available by Wednesday. And the first thing is we need the exact number. So this one was generated for basic 7, and I entered that they are 60. So if you enter that they are 60, they'll give you exactly 60. So looking at the sheet here, the last number is 60. And so by Wednesday, we should have the correct number that we admitted, so that we'll be able to do it. If not, we give a figure and later it changes, there's nothing we can do about it. So let's take notice of it. So we obviously need their date of birth, but this way is going to be year, month, and day. Then their gender, disability, if they have any disability, we include it. The person they are living with, whether their mother, father, brother, uncle, grandmother, grandfather. Then the next one is if their parent is alive. And the phone number of the parent that is alive, the mother, the father, and their number. And let's leave this section now. So, okay, let me just include it. We are supposed to be having sections. I don't know if that are still functioning. So we have sections, whether red, yellow, green, and blue. So let's also indicate that if there are sections at the KG, JHS, and then primary school. So let's indicate that. The name of their mother's occupation, name of father, father's occupation, and hometown. Obviously, most of them are from Aximia. Then the spoken language, and whether they are transferred from a different school or not. So we are supposed to indicate all that. So let's try to do that by Wednesday and be able to enter them. Okay. And so to make it simple, I suggest we get a nice sheet of paper, maybe official, then we'll enter all this into it so that we'll present it. Actually, I'm supposed to present this sheet to all the teachers to enter them, and we are not supposed to use a smartphone to do that. We are supposed to use a PC like a laptop or desktop to do that. So by Wednesday, if the data is ready, maybe we can make the computers in the lab available to all of us so that we just enter them. Or if there's another alternative, I'll communicate to you. But for now, that is how we are going to do it. If the data is available, you bring it to the lab, then you enter all this, and then we submit it or we onboard them. So there is one part that is supposed to be that is meant for the teachers. I'll talk about that one, but this one is different. So this is for the learners. So I'm sending the video now so that we tell them to collect this data when they go home. So when they go home, they'll collect the data. Then tomorrow we enter it, and by Wednesday we should have it complete. So that I can start working on it. There's a lot of work there, so